My name is Lisa, this is my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just going to show you what fits in my new Palm Springs, which has just came straight from the Vuitton store. You just see me unboxing and just showing you how it arrives. So I'm going to try to fit in a few things and show you, and maybe I'll even do some mod shots at the end. Yeah, so please subscribe, please like this video, and please comment below and let me know what you think of this one yourself. My review is just crying. I'm going to have to be back in a second. No children were harmed in the making of this video. Cameron was just crying because his show was over. So first of all, I'm just going to show you the bag, and then I'm going to show you what fits into it. So basically this is the little bag, and they've changed the little zipper. There used to be a flap here, and they've made it a lot easier, as you can see, to open it. That was a bit of a fault they had. The canvas looks okay. It's a little bit duller than some of my other bags, but it's quite nice, it's clean, there's no real problems there. The black leather, I've seen some which are quite a little bit lighter. This one's a nice little rich dark black, which is good. No change on the little pocket. It's still as small, as annoying, as tight as ever. So as you can see with the pocket, oh my god, I'm just trying to get into it. It's a very narrow opening, and it's not too small. As you can see, there is a bit of room, but it's kind of narrow to get stuff in and out of. I'll show you in a minute, and maybe I'll show you an example. On the back, it's got the lovely padding. Now, one possible problem I found with this bag already, I'm not even sure if you can see it, is the back of this bag should be flush all the way up to it meets the seam. But I don't know if you can see, but it comes up, and then at about here, it dips in. And I've tried to go inside and like push that out, but it's not working. I do think that that's been stitched too tight on this top seam possibly. Let me just check. You see, or it's like got caught on the lining or something. Let me see if the lining's attached. Yeah, so it's actually attached here to the lining. So if I pull the lining, you can see they've attached it too tight to the lining. I don't know if that's going to annoy me or not. I'll show you maybe one second. I'll show you the original bag. You see how that's lovely and straight, and there's no dip, and that seam just meets here. You know, that's got a big dimple. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to think about that, if that's gonna annoy me or not. There's the little D-rings, everything seems fine. So I'll just go and show you now what fits inside it, and at the end maybe I'll just show you some mod shots as well. Just realized that a lot of that was out of shot, so again, just to show you, comes to about here, and then it starts going inwards like it's been pulled that way. Probably you can see that better. Okay, anyway, let's get to what fits in here. It's got a beautiful line, a little pocket in the back. To be honest, I can't see myself using that pocket at the back, so what we're going to do is just try to get some of our essentials in. So first of all, I use this little purse. Well, it's like a little envelope. I use it for cash. So I think it's the Kirigami it's called. It's the medium size. It's one of the biggest pieces, and that's something I always carry, so that's going to go to the back. Then next, what do I need next? We've got the keyhole, but it's quite big. Yeah, so I've got this beautiful little eyeshadow palette. I actually just love the packaging. And it's got really nice neutral colours. I use that for my eyebrows as well, just for topping up my eyebrows. So we'll put that in. It's kind of important, right? Umbrella, I'm not sure it's going to fit properly, but we'll try that. I only really use the umbrella like when it's warm out, but there's a chance of rain because I do live in Ireland after all, so that's in there. Next up, this is a little pouch, and I keep like a lipstick in here, and perfumes in here, and different little things like that will go in there. And I do kind of carry that quite often. I'm just going to face it in so that the little beading's not going to scratch at the lining. Here we go. I do want to show you this little pocket, but I'm not really sure what's going to fit in there. Let me see. That's it open. I was thinking earpods, but no, that's not going to work. That's not going to work. Maybe some cards. Maybe if you have like cards, that fit. Let's see. They will fit, but I wouldn't like to try to get them out in a rush. Oh god, they're gone forever. Oh no. Yeah, ow, and the zip hurts to get them out. Nope, that doesn't work. Emergency cash maybe like emergency bus money, emergency like coins. I think something like that's the only thing that's going to really work, just because it's just, I don't know why they did that. That's silly. Anyway, cards. So another thing that's important is going to be my keys. We'll put that in here at the front because I use them quite often. That's my little, I'll just show you that actually. That's my little 6 key holder there. I have both my home key and the shop keys in that. That goes in the front. Then you've got your card holder, that's going to go in the front as well. And then well, that's not essential. I just keep little knickknacks or like receipts and things like that. I mean, that's just going to be annoying. Let's not put that in. It's not essential. And then obviously my earpods. They're new and I'm delighted with them. They're so cute. And this little cover. I like that navy and I like celestial, so that's kind of to match that. So we'll just pop that on top. Like that. And it's not too heavy. It's a nice size. And it looks nicer already full. So I'm just going to open it here. And let's say I want... So this seems to be the problem with this thing. I'm going to pay at a till. How easy is it to get that? No, it's not too bad to get it in my... I'd be worried about the zip scratching. The things I'm putting inside. Yeah, maybe if you put the umbrella at the back and then had your purse at the front. Maybe that's the best way to do it, is to have your essentials at the front. So obviously you're going to use your money. That's there. The cards are there. And like your makeup stuff is back. I think that's going to work better. So there we go. So that's pretty full. There is a small, as you can see, there is a little bit of room, but I don't like overfilling bags, so let's just say that fills it and we're done.